That jacket I'm wearing's just for show. That's right, my friends. It's an absolute beautiful day. Another day means another adventure. For those of you that are new here, welcome to my city, y'all. Tucson, Arizona. Tucson. The old Pueblo. This thing we're driving down, it is a hill. These moving images you're seeing are being produced by a camera. That's right, my friends. I'm going to narrate, edit, export, and upload for your viewing pleasure. I would suggest 4K, 60 frames a second for optimal video quality. Basically, just sit back and relax. I've got it from here. What was the name of that city in the Flintstones? Bedrock. Tucson reminds me a lot of Bedrock, you know? Just in kind of its own way. All right, back to relaxing. Wait a minute, what was that? Ah, a mirror. Okay, back to traveling, my friends. Video and pictures, they really don't do it justice how beautiful it really is out here. But I try. For fun, we're gonna increase the speed of this clip to 200%. This is what it would look like if we were driving twice as fast. Whee! Haulin' ASS. We're gonna slow this down a little bit in a moment. I do not want you to go around this roundabout at any other speed except reality. Because isn't that the most fun at these kind of things? All right, enough of this. Back to hauling ASS, y'all. Found ourselves at a construction site stop sign. So I'm going to slow this down into slow motion. Just kidding. 500% on our way through. Well, that was efficient. Are you guys as excited for summer as I am? It's gonna be 350 degrees around here, with the sun beating down like you've never seen. Hot, hot, hot. However, I wouldn't trade it for any other weather on earth. I love Arizona, as you know, especially southern Arizona. West, west, y'all. I fear we've come to the end of the video. Me and you have become closer, though. Best friends almost. Which is big for you because people really like being my friend. Thank you very much for joining me. We've been up and down, left and right, around and about. We've been through the desert, lost together, and found our way out. My goodness, have we been through it. Until we meet again, I give all the glory to God. Thanks for watching my silly video. Later, y'all. What an absolute beautiful day it was. Welcome to my life.